right, the next one is basically the same as the last one, except instead of the spank back, you're going to do a flap to the front. And when I first learned this, I found this one so much easier than the one with the spank. My students tell me some of them find this one easier, some of them find the other one easier because they've learned it first, but everyone's different. So shuffle, step, heel, fall, lap, heel, heel, step, heel, fall, lap, heel, heel, step, heel. So you're starting with the right foot. You're doing your shuffle, step, heel. You're going to do a flat front with the left foot. Heel, heel, left, right. Step, heel. Flat front, right. Heel, heel, right, left. Step, heel. Then the left side's going to go shuffle, step, heel. Flap right. Heel, heel. Step, heel. Flap left, heel, heel, step, heel. So the heel that is flapping is the foot that's flapping is the first heel that's going to drop when you're doing this. Same thing on that spank back. You spank back and you drop the same heel, the foot that just spanked. I found this one a little bit easier. That forward motion of the flap comes more naturally than the spank motion, and I found this one easier to learn than the previous one. It also could be that by the time I got to this one, I had kind of mastered the previous one, and therefore the concepts of the whole thing came easier. So a lot of people say no, the spank back is easier. I personally find the flap forward easier. One thing to watch out for, very often in class, I will catch people doing this, where they add a spank before the step heel. This is a speed exercise, and it's easy to do that when you're going slow, but as we start to go faster, you're not going to have time to add that spank, and that spank should not be there. So don't do that. So walking through it very slowly again. You're doing shuffle, step, heel, fall, lap, heel, heel, step, heel, fall, lap, heel, heel, step, heel. Then the left side goes shuffle, step, heel, fall, lap, heel, heel, step, heel, fall, lap, heel, heel, step, heel. So putting it together, smoothing it out, getting the nice even rhythm going, you have shuffle, step, heel, fall, lap, heel, heel, step, heel, fall, lap, heel, heel, step, heel. Shuffle, step, heel, fall, lap, heel, heel, step, heel, fall, lap, heel, heel, step, heel. Shuffle, step, heel, fall, lap, heel, heel, step, heel, fall, lap, heel, heel, step, heel. Shuffle, step, heel, fall, lap, heel, heel, step, heel, fall, lap, heel, heel, step, heel. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Shuffle, step, heel, fall, lap, heel, heel, step, heel, fall, lap, heel, heel, step, heel, shuffle, step, heel, fall, lap, heel, heel, step, heel, fall, lap. Starting right, we go. Shuffle, step,